Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the fourth most popular mall in Jamaica, and that is Sovereign Center in Ligonier. We are on Hope Road, and straight ahead on the left is the Sovereign Center. So we're going to take a tour and take a look at it. Now, number 5 on the list is Super Value Town Center on Constant Spring Road. This is Sovereign on the left, and this is the Ligonier area. So we're going to count down the 5 most popular malls or plazas in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. This plaza has 2 entrances, so we're going to enter here from Barbican Road. Today is a holiday, so it's not going to look that busy, and we're not sure if the other entrances were open or the other entrance, so this is practically the main entrance. So this plaza follows the formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica. It is built in a populated area. Ligonier is a very busy area, one of the busiest areas in Jamaica. It has a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, which is Sovereign Supermarket. It's actually closed today. And it has food stores. It has KFC, it has Island Grill. So that alone would be enough to make it very successful or very popular. But it also has a food court. So you have a lot more restaurants down there, or in the food court I should say. It has one of the most popular restaurants in Jamaica, Jade Gardens. A lot of food stores. There is Deli Works, Cafe Blue. Over here is the Sovereign Supermarket, but it's closed today. Today is a holiday, as we said, so just a few places are open. Mostly food stores, or restaurants I should say. Now this plaza has a movie theater in it. It has Palace Cineplex, very large movie theater. Theater has been in there since the plaza opened. And this is one of the larger plazas in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Actually, one of the larger plazas in Jamaica. The largest, of course, is Fairview in Montego Bay. But this is a very popular plaza. The reason why it's number 4 is because there are so many plazas in Ligonier, and some of them have a lot of traffic as well. So that's why this plaza is number 4. It could possibly be higher, but in terms of popularity, there are a lot of other plazas in Ligonier. But this is one of the top 5 most popular plazas in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. There is a sign for Jade Garden on the left, and this is one of the main entrances to the plaza. Across the road, JMB is building a branch. That's Jamaica Money Market Broker. Across the road, straight ahead, is another plaza. Ligonier has the most restaurants in Jamaica. This area has more restaurants in it than any other area in Jamaica. And it also has a lot of plazas. I think the only other place that has more plazas is Constant Spring Road. Alright, so that's a tour of Sovereign Center in Ligoni. Alright, so stay tuned to the channel for the list of the, this is number 3, this is number 4, so stay tuned for the numbers 3, 2 and 1 as we count on the 5 most popular plazas in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Alright guys, thanks for watching, have a good day.